Properties are arguments of components. We can use properties to pass data from a component to another component. Here we define a app function component and another function component hello. We put this hello function component in this app component. In our web browser, it will render hello and word. Let's add properties to this hello component. First, we need to define a struct type to represent the type for this property in this hello component. Let's define a struct. We can give it a name props. First, give it a name is valid, type is bool. Second, give it a name message, type is string. To make this struct type as a properties type, we need to add the attribute derive properties, and we also need to add the partial equal trait, so it can compare the data changing. Let's back to this hello component. In this parenthesis, we will add give it a name prop, and the type is ref props. And in this div, let's remove this. Let's add a p tag. Let's clear brackets. Add a valid colon and clear brackets. We can read the field's value from this pop. So pop da is valid. Let's close this p tag. Let's add another p tag. Add value message. Let's add another clear brackets pop the message. Let's close this p tag. Let's go to this app component. This app component is this hello component's parents component. In this hello tag, we can pass the data to this hello component. So it's valid. This is the field's name of this props structure equal to curly brackets. Let's give it a value true. And the second field is message equal to, let's give it a string value, string from hello. Here we get an error because this is string value. It will not copy that string value, so we need to call the clone method to clone that string value. You can see we will get rid of that error. Let's go back to our web browser. You can see in our web browser it will render valid is true and the message is hello. We can also add a default value for these properties. Before this is valid, we will add an attribute prop underscore all, and in this parenthesis we can give it a default value like a false. And before this message, we will add an attribute also pop all. Let's give it a string value a, and we will call toString method to convert this string slash to a string value. So in this hello tag, let's just remove this. Let's go to the web browser. You can see this time it will render the default value. Valid is false, message is a. We set the default value for these two fields. We also can use pop macro to set the properties value. In this app component, let's create a variable a equal to, we will call the prop macro. In this macro, let's create an instance of this props structure. Props, curly brackets, and the first field is valid. Let's give it a value true. Second field is message. Let's give it a string value, string from A, B, C. Here, let's add a semicolon. In this hello tag, we use da and this variable's name A to update the properties value to this hello component. And let's go to the web browser. This time you can see the valid value is true and the message's value is ABC. This is about properties in Vue. Hope I'll see you next time.